about Ty. Shit. Tyler, Ty, share. Give her some now, and I'm not joking. Drink and then give her some. Sarah want the bottle. Give it to her now. Okay, she gonna drink and then give it back to you. She's too funny. Sarah, you're too cute. Hi babes, good morning, good afternoon, and good night to you guys. It's a brand new day, of course, and I am here in the kitchen fresh off my good vibes from working out. Listen, when I tell you that workout is my best friend, I literally mean that workout is my best friend. I got my workout in this morning and wasn't easy, but I got it done, so that's a plus for me. It's going to be a long day because I have to take Sarah to her doctor's appointment today. So I'm going to be doing that, which means that I have to get almost everything done that I want, all the important things done before I go on the road, which includes making dinner so that when I come back tired and it's just around dinner time, I won't have to worry about, don't you hear me talking? I won't have to worry about making dinner right away. What you're supposed to say when I'm talking?
Excuse me.
Yes, Tyler.
I want to say something to Faye.
Come in the camera. Say good morning.
Good morning. And when we go to the doctor, we'll ask to him something about here.
About your lower stomach, you've been saying
Yes.
that it's hurting you a lot, and Mama
Yes.
don't like that, right?
Yes.
Tyler been saying his lower stomach is hurting him a lot, especially when I squeeze it, when I touch it. He says it's hurting him a lot. So they have the same pediatrician. Well, I guess my appointment is going to be a while today because I have a lot of questions for that pediatrician today. You know, as a mom, sometimes your spirit don't sit right with certain things, and I'm a firm believer, and I won't put anything out into the universe. So let's go to this pediatrician today, and I'm going fully suited because I have so many questions that I want to ask today. So this shall be a very important appointment. Sarah is going to get a shot today too. So you know how that will go. She'll definitely cry. She'll definitely cry because she don't like to see the doctor in that white and that mask. She's not a fan at all. She's actually taking a nap right now. So while she takes her nap, I am making breakfast, and baby's off to work. For breakfast, I am making myself an omelette, and I'm going to have that with some avocado. So that's what's on my breakfast menu today. And then for dinner, I think I'm going to do some fish. I already took out the fish. I'm going to season the fish and get it prepared when I get back, because this fish I don't like to cook it and then reheat it. So I'm just going to season it, and then when I come back I'll fry it real quick. And I'm going to do some veggies. I think I'm gonna do zucchini and some carrots. There's already rice and pasta in the fridge for Tyler, so whichever one he chooses, I'll just warm it. Anyway, I'm just rambling right now, so hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay motivated, stay encouraged, stay blessed. I love you guys. Now go ahead and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. And if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and keep up with the fam bam. And go over to my workout channel at Body After Baby. The link is everywhere on this page. You will see it down below in the comment section. It's in the description box and it's under the word channel at the top. Anyway guys, I'm going to go enjoy my breakfast and get on with my day. Voila, there goes breakfast. You guys know I love me some good cayenne pepper, so that's cayenne that you guys see on my avocado. Dressed finally and ready to go. Is this a gray hair peeking, girl? I'm gonna go fix you. All right. Or no, it's lighting. It's the light. Or no, it is. Okay, I'm gonna go fix her before I leave. Anyway, you guys, Princess is here. So sweet in your red. I think red is your favorite color. Red and yellow. I like to put her in red and yellow, and this Mr. Extra won't stop. Ready to go, Ty? No? You're not ready? Why?
Because I need my dodo.
So why you don't go get your dodo?
Sarah's my dodo.
You're too for Sarah! Oh my god. Sarah! She pull off the headband. Everywhere these two gonna carry the antiques. Sarah, take time. Oh my god. Look at her. But she in a dress. She in red dress. Tyler, take time. You cannot go in front of her. She's gonna fall. Coucou. Bonjour.
Mother auntie.
Is she here?
Hello.
Bonjour, Papa.
Hello.
Take off your mask.
Hello.
Ty, you didn't see she going to Papa.
Papa. Tata.
Sarah said day. Mama, Sarah said day.
Papa.
Oh.
Look who has arrived. I smell coffee on you. You were drinking coffee?
Yeah, I took one. I think that is massive if I want to circulate.
Oh, oh, oh. You guys, Tyler and Sarah been here fighting over this bottle. It's Tyler's water, but Ty, shit. Tyler, Ty, share. Give her some now, and I'm not joking. Drink and then give her some. Sarah want the bottle. Give it to her now. Okay, she gonna drink and then give it back to you. Sarah, drink and give it back to brother. Drink and give your brother back the bottle. You want more of water? So go and ask her for it, please. Drink and give it back to her. Look at them. This is the biggest fight that they've ever had. Watch her. Take your time, Ty. And Sarah rode with the bottle. Tyler, take it now. Drink and give it back to her. You think it's funny? Drink and give it back to her. Say thank you, brother. Thank you, Tyler. Say thank you, Sarah. Watch her. She don't want no water, no. She just want Tyler bottle. Watch her. She just wants Tyler bottle to walk around with like a trophy. Watch her. And Tyler think it's funny. Sarah, drink the water and give back the bottle to brother. Can I have it, please? Thank you. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you. Give the bottle to mama. Good girl. Leave her. Tyler, Sarah, give it to mama. Come here. Sarah, thank you. Thank you. Sarah, give brother some of the water. Tyler, drink and give it back to her. Watch her. Good job. Tyler, you have to talk to her when you're giving her the bottle. You have to tell her here and she to say thank you. Sarah, don't throw in the water.
That's why.
Oh my God.
Also somewhere.
She coming for it.
Dry.
She coming for it. Watch her. Let me see what she gonna do, Ty. Say please, please, please. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Sarah, I think it's just a big old game. A big old game. Watch her. Watch her. Look at her. She thinks it's funny. She just wants her brother Paw Patrol bottle.
No! He's spinning there! He's spinning there. No!
She going back for it.
I'm
Watch
the
her.
king!
You're the king.
You need to listen to me!
Watch what's happening over here. Sarah, go for him. Go for him, Sarah.
Sarah! You think you started the battle?
Thank you. Thank you, brother. Watch her. She'll drive the butt like a truck. Say thank you. Sarah, did you say thank you? See, she throw it away. She don't want no more.
Every time she
Don't give it. Look at her over there wiping in the water that she spilled. Don't give it back to her. Watch her. Look at her. Sarah. Sarah. No, don't do that. Come here. You're gonna fall in it. Bluff. Okay, give me the water now. Finish for today. Drink and give it to me. No more. No more of the fighting. Thank you. Well, the bottle is gone, miss. The bottle is gone. Yes, it is gone. Mama put it away. Leave it. And Sarah, you're not supposed to cry for things. You don't bad up your brother like that. You don't do that, miss. Okay, you say please and thank you. Okay? Yes, that's how it works. Right? Right, Mama? You say please, brother. Thank you, brother. May I have some of your water, right? You don't cry for things. Right, Mama? Good girl. She got about her business. You play together. You share things. You don't fight. Very good. So don't let me have to tell you again. Now go and play dinosaur with your sister. Anyway, you guys, we have been back home. Man, the sun outside is draining. It's a struggle to commute on a bus with these kids and in this sun and this heat. It's a struggle. But doctor's appointment went well. The kiddos are good. I'm talking. Doctor's appointment went well. The kids are well. Yeah, I'm back home. I honestly did not get to cook before I left. I mean, partially cook like I wanted to, but I had seasoned the fish, so that's good. It's almost dinner time, and I already have pasta cooked for Thai. So I'm just gonna get the fish ready, and then I'm gonna do some, I think, zucchini like I wanted to do earlier this morning for Babe and I. So I'm gonna get that done. Look at Missy. Come looking at me.
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
Look, Sarah will not want to play dinosaur. Look, Mama. Look. Sarah. Mama, look.
Yeah.
Sarah.
Good girl.
Sarah.
Yeah. That's okay. So you play alone. She will come when she's ready. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Friends again. Friends again. Fight done.
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
It's dinosaur fight.
Don't let that happen again. You hear me?
What did you say?
Don't let that fight that happened between you and your sister happen again. You share, and she's a baby, so she don't know what she's doing. So you have to guide her, okay? So you drink some, you give it to her. Guide mean you lead, and she'll follow, meaning you take control of the situation. You do the right thing. Look at her. Alright, you guys, there goes the outcome for dinner, and I'm so ready to go because I'm hungry. They're friends again. Tyler feeding her yogurt. Ty, she didn't get it. Oh. She and that flap hand when she gets excited. Ty, put the spoon in her mouth. Look how you let she messing up the couch. She holding your hand because you're not putting the spoon in her mouth. So you have to put the spoon in her mouth properly. Sarah eats out of everybody's plate and then go have her dinner. What a little trick stuff. Yes, Sarah? They eat everybody's food and then go eat yours.
What's wrong?
What happened?
Sarah's turning around and screaming.
Look at her waiting for more. Tell her don't let you catch it. Don't let you put her hand in the container. Don't give her any more time. Sarah, don't rub your yogurt mouth on the couch. Lord have mercy. Is more she want?
Yes.
It finished? That's so fine. Don't give her.